Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we have two claims and we need to explain why they are wrong. So for the very first claim, Janet claims that all prime numbers are odd. Is that true? No, because actually there is one prime number that is even. 2 is a prime number and it is even. So her claim is wrong, okay? And for those who would like to know more about prime numbers are numbers that only has two factors. Okay, which is 1 and the number itself. Next, for James though, he claimed that all composite numbers have 4 or more factors. So again, we do need to pick up one number that is composite numbers and actually have less than 4. Okay, because we need to explain why his claim is wrong. So, James' claim is wrong because actually there's one number, 9. 9 is a composite number with 3 factors. And the 3 factors are 1, 3, and 9. Okay, so what are composite numbers? Again, for those who are interested to find out more, composite numbers are numbers with more than 2 factors. Alright, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.